See, the next question is find the traveling time. Find the traveling time from Dindivanam to Viluppuram. From Dindivanam to Viluppuram. Now, what is the traveling time? See, now what is from Dindivanam? Dindivanam, it arrived at 9:45. It arrived at 9:45, okay, and departed at 9:55 a.m. Is it clear? This is arrival time and this is departure time. Now, Viluppuram, next I told this is Dindivanam. Now, Viluppuram, at what time it reached is 11:05 a.m. Okay, 11:05 a.m. and it departed at 11:15 a.m. 11:15 a.m. So this is the thing. Now, what is the question they have asked is find the traveling time from Dindivanam to Viluppuram. From Dindivanam to Viluppuram. Now, what you have to write is you have to write arrival time. Arrival time of what? Of Viluppuram. Arrival time at Viluppuram. Arrival time at Viluppuram was what? What was the time arrival time? It was 11:05 a.m. Is it clear now? 11:05 a.m. Now what is the question they asked? Dindivanam. That is from Dindivanam at what time it departed. So departure time. Departure time at where? Dindivanam. Now what is arrival time at the departed time? It is 9:55 a.m. It is 9:55 a.m. Now, what is the question they have asked? What is the traveling time? So, how long it took? So, you have to minus it. Now, how will you minus it? See, when you start minusing, you will get 0, you will have 4, and this will become 10, you will have 1. So, it means 1 hour 40 minutes. See, now what did I tell you? Arrival time at Viluppuram. Now, what was arrival time at Viluppuram? It was 11:05. It was 11:05. Okay, now at what time did it departure? 9:55 a.m. So 9:55 a.m. It departure at 9:55 a.m. So it means, can you tell 1 hour 40 minutes? No. Now what you have to do is, this 11 hour, it has to be treated as, because 11:05, you are just converting into hours and minutes. So this one, you are converting to 10 hours. Is it clear now? 10 hours. Now this one, I told you 5. So it means what? This is 60 plus 5. How much it is? 65. So 10 hours and 65 minutes. Are you able to understand? Because if you directly minus it, you get 1 hour 40 minutes. But that is not the answer. Just try when you have the clock. That will be the wrong answer. Now what you have to do is, you get like this 11:05. You have to convert. You have to minus it. So 11 means 10 hours. 5 means what? 60, 65. Is it clear now? 10 hours and 65 minutes. Now what you do? 9 hours minus what is that? 55 minutes here. So now when you minus it, you get 10 and here you get 1. So that means it took 1 hour and 10 minutes to what? 10 minutes to travel from Dindivanam to Viluppuram. See, we can just try once. In the clock itself you can try. See, what is the departure time? 9:55. I told you 9:55. Is it clear now? Now what, when did it reach? 11 o'clock. So 9:55 means, see now listen, 5 minutes, right? Then 5 plus 5, 10 minutes already over with that. Now 1 hour is what? 10, from 10 to 11 o'clock, it is 1 hour. So 1 hour and 10 minutes. So always when you want to do this sum, you have to minus this. 11 o'clock means 10. It will become 11 minus 1 is 10 hours. And this 5 means 60 plus that 5, whatever 5. So 60 plus 5 is 65 minutes. With that, you have to minus this sum. Are you able to understand? You have to minus. 11 minus 1 hour is 10 hours. And this 5, what you have to do? You have to take it 60 plus 5. 60 plus 5 is 65 minutes. Are you able to understand? Right. Now next sum. What is the next sum? What is the next sum given in your book? Find the traveling time from Chennai to Viluppuram. From Chennai to Viluppuram. All from that schedule only. So always you have to be very careful from Chennai to Viluppuram. Is it clear now? From Chennai to Viluppuram. Now, what is from Chennai? At what time it started, my dear? Chennai it started, departed at 6:30 because arrival and all is not needed. 6:30 a.m. Now, Viluppuram, it came around 11:05 a.m. 11:05 a.m. Is it clear now? So that is the time it's given. Now what you have to do is, what is the question? What is the time taken or find the traveling time from Chennai to Viluppuram? So if they'll ask, hey, how long it took from Chennai to Viluppuram? So that is the question. For that, now what you have to do? You have to write arrival time of what? Is it Chennai or Viluppuram? Yes, Viluppuram. Arrival time at Viluppuram. What was it? Arrival time at Viluppuram. It was 11:05 a.m. 11:05 a.m. Now, what is the departure time? At what time it took? The bus took from Chennai. Departure time of Chennai. At what time? It took at 6:30 a.m. Now, same previous sum I taught you, the same way you have to do. Now, what is it you have to do? This has to be converted. You have to minus it. Is it clear? Now, 10 hours, what? 65 minutes. You have to consider as 10 hours and 65 minutes. Are you clear now? Because you have to minus it. Minus 1 hour and here in minutes you have to add plus 60. So, you get 10.65 minutes. Now, 6.30. That is 6 o'clock, 6 and a half. That is what you call 6.30. So you have to minus it. So when you minus it, you get 5. This is 3 and this is 4. So now what is the answer you are going to write? What is the traveling time? It took 4 hours and 35 minutes. So now what is the answer you have to write? Traveling time is, what is the traveling time? It is 4 hours and 35 minutes. So it took 4 hours and 35 minutes from Chennai to Viluppuram. Are you able to understand this? Right. Oh, very good. See now next one practice time they have given. Okay. Same schedule you have to use it. Find the answers for the following. First question. Calculate the traveling time from Madurai to Kanyakumari. What is it? Madurai to Kanyakumari. Right. Now, what is the question? Traveling time. You have to find the traveling time. How long it took from Madurai to what? Kanyakumari. Now, what you have to do is, what is the arrival time at Kanyakumari? Arrival time at Kanyakumari was 9:35. Kanyakumari was 9:35. Now, Madurai, departure time. What was the departure time? It was 5:05 p.m. It was 5:05 p.m. and here it was 9:35 p.m. Clear? This is a schedule. Is it clear now? Schedule departed 5:05 p.m. and Kanyakumari it landed 9:35 p.m. Now, what is the answer? How are you going to do it? You will write, what will you write? The departed time. Sorry, arrival time. I'm sorry, it is arrival time at Kanyakumari. Arrival time at Kanyakumari. Now, what was arrival time at Kanyakumari? It was 9:35 p.m. 9:35 p.m. Now, what is the departure time at Madurai? It was 5:05 p.m. It was 5:05 p.m. Now what you have to do? You have to minus it. Is it clear now? You have to minus. Now what is the answer you get? 0, 3, 4. So now what is the answer you will write? So you took 4 hours and 30 minutes. What? From Madurai to Kanyakumari, it took 4 hours and 30 minutes. So this is how you have to do. See, the next question is, how long did the bus stop at Madurai? Did the bus stop at Madurai? This is a question. Now, what is here I told you, arrival time is 4:55 and departed 5:55. Okay, now it is already in the schedule. From that, the questions are asked. Now, what will you write here? time of departure. Time of departure. Now what is the time of departure? It was 5 p.m. And what was the arrival time? Arrival time was 4:55. See, now I'll make it still more easier. The last sum I told you, you have to convert this as to hours and minutes. Now because here the minutes are more from here, from this one. Now what you have to do is, you have to convert this into minutes. Now how will you convert? This will become 4 hours. I told you 5 minus 1, it is 4. 4 hours, and then this one will become, I told you 60, no here. So 5, it is 5. So 60 means 60 plus 5, it is 65. Is it clear now? It is 4:65. That is 4 hours and 65 minutes. It departed. Is it clear? So you have to minus it with 55. Now how many minutes it took? 10 minutes. So that is the answer you have right. So it took, or the bus stopped for 10 minutes. The bus stopped for 10 minutes. So you have to be very careful, because see, straight away if they give 5 and 5:15 and 5:10, you can directly minus it. But here this minute is more than this. So now what you have to do, you have to convert this. So when you convert, you have to minus this 5 with 1. So when you minus 1, this will become 4 hours, and here you have to add plus 60. This one you have to add with 60 minutes. So you'll have 4 hours and 65 minutes. With that you have to minus it 4:55. So the bus stopped for 10 minutes. So this is how you have to do your sum. Now next question, what is the next question? The travelling time from Tiruchi to Tirunelveli. Tiruchi to Tirunelveli. Now Tiruchi, now you tell me what is the time of arrival. Tiruchi 2:40 it departed and arrived at Tirunelveli at, it is there in the schedule, arrived at 8:10 p.m. It arrived at 8:10 p.m. Is it clear now? Tiruchi, it departed at 2:40 and Tirunelveli it landed, it arrived at 8:10 p.m. Now what is the question is, what is the question they ask? Find the travelling time from Tiruchi to Tirunelveli. Now what is it you have to write? You have to write arrival time. Arrival time at Tirunelveli. Arrival time at Tirunelveli. Now what is arrival time at Tirunelveli? I told you it is 8:10 p.m. 8:10 p.m. Now what is the departed time of Tiruchi? The departed time of Tiruchi. Or you can write departure time. What was the departure time? It was 2:40 p.m. Now what is the question they have asked? Now what is the question they have asked? They have asked to find out the travelling time from Tiruchi to Tirunelveli. So immediately you have to minus it. Now how will you minus here? Now same way I told you, because here the minutes is more than here. So now you have to convert into hours and minutes. So this 8, if you minus it, subtract with 1, this will become 7. Now I told you 10. So it means what? 60, 65, 70. So it will become 7.70. That is 7 hours and 70 minutes. Are you clear now? It will become 7 hours and 70 minutes. Because 60, 65 and 70. So you minus it. 7.70 with 2.40. So now how much you are going to get? 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. So now what is it you have to write answer? It took 5 hours and 30 minutes. It took 5 hours and 30 minutes. So this is how you have to do your, what do you call? The schedule, from the schedule you have to do it. Now next one. See, you have to be very careful when you are going to subtract. Is it clear? When you are going to subtract, the down part, when it is more, the minutes is more than the upper part. Now this thing, now what you have to do immediately? You have to convert that into hours and minutes. Are you able to understand? You have to convert into hours and minutes. Now the next one. Find the travelling time from Viluppuram to Tirunelveli. Now what is the question? From Viluppuram to Tirunelveli. Now, see, listen. Now, what does it? You have tried. They have traveling time. They have asked. So, what is the arrival time at Viluppuram? Arrival time at Tirunelveli. I'm sorry, because when you are going to find out, you have to write arrival time at Tirunelveli. What is arrival time? It is 8:10 p.m. See, please listen carefully, because this is from a.m. to p.m. Now, what is the arrival time at Tirunelveli? It is 8:10 p.m. Now, what is the departure time? What is the departure time of at Viluppuram? What is the arrival time? Departure time. It was 11:15 a.m. It was 11:15 a.m. Now, see here, because I told you this is p.m. and this is a.m. So, for this, now what you have to do is, when you want to subtract from p.m. to a.m., now what you have to do? You have to add 12 hours. You have to add 12 hours. So, be very careful. Again, I am telling you. See, when you are going to subtract a.m. from a.m. to p.m., you have to add 12 hours. So, it should be added to p.m. It should be added to p.m. Now, so when you add this, see now 8:10 p.m. Is it clear now? So, when you are subtracting from a.m. to p.m., now what did I tell you? You have to add 12 hours. So, this is 8. So, now 12 plus 8 is what? 20. So, it becomes 20:10. Are you able to understand? This 8:10, you have to add 12 hours. So, it will become 20.10. Now, departure time is what? 11:15. Again, now you cannot minus. Already I told you this minute is more than this. Now, what you have to do? This will be, already last time I told you, when this minute is more than this, now immediately you have to minus. So, this will become minus 1 hour. So, this will become 19 hours. So, 60, 65, 70. So, this will become 19 hours and 70 minutes. Are you able to understand? 19 hours and 70 minutes. Is it clear now? See, 8:10 p.m., 11:15 a.m. Now, when you want to convert this a.m., when you subtract this a.m. to p.m., you have to add 12 hours. So, when you add 12 hours, this will become 20.10. Again, this minute is more than this. So, again, immediately you have to convert. So, when you convert, this will become 19.70. That is 19 hours and 70 minutes. So, when you minus this 19 hours and 70 minutes with 11:15, how much you get? See, this will become 6, 5 and this will become 8. So, now what is the answer you are going to write? It took 8 hours. It took 8 hours and 55 minutes. Is it clear with the sum? Now, you have to convert from a.m. to p.m. Add 12 hours. First one. What did I do in the sum? When you want to subtract from a.m. to p.m., what you have to do? You have to add 12 hours. Then after adding 12 hours, this 8:10 will become 20:10. Normally you say when you want to say 8 o'clock, 8:10 p.m., what will you say? 20:10. So, now what you have to do? This minute is more than this. Immediately this you are converting into hours and minutes. How will you convert? You have to minus this 20 minus 1. So, this will become 19.70 because 60, 65, 70. Are you clear? So, with that when you minus, you get 8 hours and 55 minutes. Are you able to understand this? Viluppuram to Tirunelveli, when you want to convert from AM to PM.